Hi, good afternoon. It's Matt Matthias here, and I'm just doing this quick video to go with the Facebook post I did today. And here it is. And basically, I was describing the difference between a business opportunity and an online business. Now, this is something I've been thinking about quite a bit recently, and I try and explain it in this short post. Now, so I've been promoting biz opportunities for a long time. Now, some of those business opportunities were basically recruit somebody and make money. They didn't have products. And I certainly would not buy those products if I had to pay for them and not get any commission from selling them. And a lot of these business opportunities didn't have great leaders as well. And what happens with biz ops? They have a life cycle. So they just start, they grow quickly, there's a period of maturity, and then they decline. Now, some of them are like the mayfly. The female mayfly only lives for 5 minutes. And so what I did was thinking, well, there must be something better than this, because if you start a business opportunity on the on the growth side of the life cycle, you can make money. If you join on the maturity side, it gets increasingly more difficult to make money from that biz opportunity. And if it's on the decline, you know that the people that you bring in to that biz op will find it harder to make money than you. So then there's this morality going through your mind thinking, I can make money from it, but will somebody else make money? But will somebody else, down that commission structure, will they make money from it as well? So I've stopped promoting business opportunities. I now promote businesses. And a business is something that you'd use the product even if you weren't getting paid to promote it. And also, you'd pay the full market price. So, for example, if you are selling, I don't know, let's say vitamins now. If you're selling vitamins, would you buy those vitamins at the price that the company is selling them to you? If the answer is yes, then that is a business. But also, it has to have leadership. Do you trust the leaders? Now, there's lots of business opportunities out there that you don't know who the leaders are. They put forward people, but they're not actually the company owners themselves. You might hear their names, but you certainly don't see them in front of camera. So if the company I don't trust, I don't do business with. So basically, that's the post that I put down today. You've got to trust the leadership, and you've got to want to buy the product. So there's got to be a demand for the product. Anyway, hope that's been of value to you, and if it has, leave a comment below. There's a link to the 2 companies now that I work with that I trust, and the products are really good and I use them myself. But also, if you know a leader that you trust, and also you know of products that you'd use even if you weren't getting paid to use them, then put them down in the comments. It's always good to share. Anyway, it's Matt Matthias. The link's below, and speak to you tomorrow.